We are presenting you today how to make chicken broth. Frozen chicken, you defrost it, probably overnight. When it is softer, take out, wash it, and parts of the chicken which is not edible, things like the tail and the neck, cut it off and throw away. Fat, skins, some people do not like skin, so it's better to remove, because our dishes are healthy dishes. For healthy dishes, we don't make dishes containing cholesterol. So that's why we remove the skin off, because chicken skin contains lots of cholesterol. This is to be thrown away. Cut chicken into water, immerse in water, leave it for 10 minutes, add some salt so that the blood seeps out into the water. Blood is already seeping into the water. Add a pinch of salt. Peel off a ginger, about 2 inches thick. Peel off a carrot. Peel off a potato. Wash the vegetables. Skin off an onion. Add a stick of cinnamon, bay leaves, about 3 leaves, Chinese star spice, about 3 pieces, Sichuan pepper, about 9-10 pieces. All these are added when making chicken broth to give them flavor, remove some smells, and a taste.
Actually, should have put more. I don't have now.
Add some celery leaves too. Add all of them in chicken broth. No need to cut, just as it is. Just put in the water. Chicken broth is boiling. Keep it covered. Keep it covered. Chicken broth is under cooking. Now you can see after about 15 minutes, foam has formed on the surface. These foam are a part of impurities or unwanted parts, so it has to be removed off. These are coming from, usually made from fat, oils and impurities in the meat as well as in vegetables. It is important to remove them as it is formed. It's under boiling. The temperature is about 800. It starts boiling, reduce the temperature, so about 200 degrees. This you can save energy by reducing. There's no sense when a liquid is boiling to keep the higher temperature. Keep it closed. Chicken broth is getting boiled now almost half an hour. Chicken broth has been cooking for 1 hour now. Look at that. Now it's about 1.5 hours. The broth has been cooked. After about half an hour,
Not half an hour, but 1 hour.
1.5 hour. We stop the cooking of the broth. The broth is ready. This broth can be added into any other dish.
Soup, or when you are
You
cooking,
desire.
you need the water, you use it.
This broth can be used as a liquid for any dish you prepare. If you have used the broth prepared already, you can use the same stuff to add water and prepare more broth. That is the completed chicken broth. This liquid is tasty and you can add into any dish you make for extra flavor.